If you're using OBS Blade, keeping it updated is one of the easiest ways to get the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. In this guide I'll show you how to update OBS Blade step by step in 2026, so let's jump right into it. First, open OBS Blade on your computer. Then open the Help menu or the About section, depending on your version. Here you can see the version that's currently installed, which makes it easy to compare with the latest available release. Next, check whether OBS Blade has a built-in option to search for updates. If an update is available, you'll usually see a prompt with the new version. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to begin the update process. If your version doesn't include automatic updates, visit the official OBS Blade download page and download the latest installer for your operating system. Always use the official source to make sure you're installing a safe and up-to-date version. Once the installer has finished downloading, close OBS Blade if it's still running, then launch the installer and follow the setup instructions. In most cases, the update installs over your existing version while keeping your settings and scenes intact.